Hello everyone. Now we know how to create HTML file and how to use tags in HTML file. Now our aim is to let's type it in Titan only, adding images, links and button. Now let's start with heading. H1 heading, how to add image in my HTML file, question mark and closing H1 tag. So for adding image, we use a tag that is img. Img stands for image, but this only doesn't call image. For that we have to use source and equal to then double commas. So source is the path where image exists with respect to our this document. So for now I have an image directly in the folder where this file exists. So what I'll do, I'll copy the name of this image and then we'll paste here. Now let's save this file and see if my image is coming. No, it's not coming. It's coming corrupted. Why is it so? This is because typing image name is not only the thing we have to do. We have to type with extension which can be JPG, can be .png image or can be .gif image. So what we have to do, we have to first go to that folder, we have to check its property, its PNG image with .png extension, or we can also see it here. So I'll type PNG and then I'll save this file and then we'll reload it on my browser. I can see the images here. I can also adjust its size, but that we will do later. Before that, let's start with the second thing, which is adding link. Now how to add links in our HTML file. For link we use tag which is called anchor tag, which is used by element A, and then href. Href is the path we should tell browser where it should point to. Okay, so let's take it href. I'll copy this thing. I'll close it also. Okay, now I am pasting it here. So in this way I'm telling my browser that I have to go to this google.co.in after clicking on this thing. But I have opened this tag, so I should also close this one. But how will I go? It's only a tag. We have to type some text or some image or anything between it. So when that thing is clicked and then this anchor tag will work, because this is only tag and this will not be shown by browser unless we use some content here. So I'm typing, click here, take me to oh, Google. Let's keep it capital G file. I'm saving it. Let's get back here. When I'm reloading it, I'm getting it here. This is because I didn't use line break tag, and this is coming after this image. This whole area is white. So if I use a BR tag, then saving it will appear here. When I click on it, yes, I'm going to Google, but this will work only if you are connected to internet. If you're not connected to internet, you will get sorry you are offline or something message like this. But if I'm connected to Google, I can see that this link is working. So it's not only Google link which is working for me. I can put here facebook.com. I can put anything which I like. I can put my Facebook ID, any link where I want to go. Okay, so I don't want this now. Now I want to use a button tag here. So I'll use, this is the button tag, quite easy to remember. And between button tags, I'll write the text which I want to show on my button. Click here. Okay, so I have written this. Now I'm having a button which is surrounded with anchor tags, which will take me to google.co.in. I'm seeing this. I'm going and I'm reloading it. Now I can see there is a click here button, which when I click, I am going to google.co.in. So in this video, we learned about adding images, links, and buttons. This is just the starting. There is lots and lots of more to learn yet. So stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit like.